Welcome to Fisher Power Supply, your #1 source for remanufactured diesel engines. Leaders in the heavy-duty diesel industry, we are your one-stop shop for all your diesel needs. Located in mid-Michigan, we are a family-owned and operated company. With years of experience, you will not find a better quality product anywhere else. Our mission is heavy-duty done right. Here, we strive for exceptional customer service. You can receive 24/7 troubleshooting and advice from our experienced diesel technicians. We offer nationwide shipping, and nobody can beat our rapid turnaround time. We have many options that will serve your company, including short and long blocks, extended long blocks, complete builds, and outright. Don't forget to ask about our warranty. Contact us today for a free estimate. We are your diesel engine specialist. Call us today at 866-414-0939 or visit us online at FisherDieselRebuilding.com.